Hello friends, myself Kazi Mansoor Ali, working as assistant professor in NB Navle Singhad College of Engineering Solapur, having 8 years experience and qualification MSc PhD Mathematics pursuing. Next, Romberg's integration. Romberg's method is used to find the integration numerically for different h using trapezoidal rule. Romberg's formula is given by I is equal to I2 plus 1 by 3 I2 minus I1, where I1 and I2 are integration calculated on different h. Take h is equal to 0.5, 0.25, 0.125 to evaluate. Example 0 to 1 integration 1 upon 1 plus x square dx using Romberg's method and hence obtain an approximate value of pi. Now we calculate on different h. First h is equal to 0.5. Y is equal to f of x. What is f of x? The function, that is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now we consider the x values. So 0, h we have taken 0.5. So 0, 0.5, 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1. For different x value we calculate the y values. 1 upon 1 plus x square. Substitute x is equal to 1 there. 1 square, that is 1. 1 upon 1 plus 1, that is 1 by 1 upon 1 plus 0 square. For first value x is 0, substitute x is equal to 0, 0 square, that is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 upon 1 is 1. For x is equal to 0.5, 1 upon 1 plus 0.5 square, the simplification is 0.8. Now 1 upon 1 plus 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 upon 1 by 2 is 0.5. For different x values we get the different y values. The first value is y0, second is y1, third is y2. Next, we use the trapezoidal formula. So the formula is the function which we have integrated, that we call as integration I. 0 to 1 dx upon 1 plus x square, h by 2, y0 plus y2, the first and last term, plus 2 times the rest terms, that is y1. So y0 is 1, y2 is 0.5 and y1 is 0.8, we have substituted, and h is 0.5 there. Okay, now simplification is, the value comes as integration is 0.775. Next, for h is equal to 0.25, the interval will be, x values will be 0, 0.25, 0.25, 25, 0.5, 0.25, 0.75, 0.75 plus 25, that is 1. So we started from 0 to ended on 1 by taking h is equal to 0.25. For these x values we calculate the corresponding y values. So y is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Substitute x is equal to 0 there. So 1 upon 1 plus 0 square is 1. 1 upon 1 plus 0.25 square, the value comes as 0.9412. 1 upon 1 plus 0.5 square, the value comes as 0.8. 1 upon 1 plus 0.75 square, the value comes as 0.64, and 1 upon 1 plus 1 square, that is the value comes as 0.5. So for different x values we got the different y values. The first is y0, second is y1, third is y2, fourth is y3, 5 is y4. The trapezoidal formula is h by 2, first and last y0 plus y4 plus 2 times all, that is y1, y2, y3. Now substitute the values. H is 0.25, we have substituted, divided by 2, y0 1, y5, y4, that is 0.5 plus 2 times y1 0.9412, y2 0.8, y3 0.64. If we simplify, the value comes as 0.7828 by using h is equal to 0.25 and trapezoidal rule. Next, now for h is equal to 0.125 we calculate. X is, the x values become 0, 0.125 plus 0.125 added 0.25, 0.25 plus 1 0.125 that is 0.375, 0.375 plus 0.125 that is 0.5, 0.5 plus 0.125 that is 0.625 plus 125 if we added that will give 0.75, 0.75 plus 0.125 that is 0.875 and 0.875 plus 0.125 the value is 1. So we started from 0, we ended at 1 by taking h is equal to 0.125. The corresponding y values is for 0, 1, 0.125, substitute for x values 1 upon 1 plus 0.125 it's a square, the value comes 0.9846. If you substitute x is equal to 0.25 in the function, 1 upon 1 plus 0.25 square is 0.9412. If you substitute x is equal to 0.375, 1 upon 1 plus 0.375 square is 0.8767. 1 upon 1 plus 0.5 square is 0.8. 1 upon 1 plus 0.625 square is the value is 0.7191. 1 upon 1 plus 0.75 square is 0.64. 1 upon 1 plus 0.875 square is 0.5664. 1 upon 1 plus 1 square that is 1 by 2 that is 0.5. For different x values we get different y values after substituting those x value in 1 upon 1 plus x square. So naming the names y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8. Now we get the value of the integration I is equal to h by 2 first and last y0 plus y8 plus 2 times all y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 plus y6 plus y7 in addition. So substitute the values h is equal to 0.125 divided by 2, y0 is 1, y8 is 0.5 plus 2 times y1 0.9846 plus y2 0.9412 plus y3 0.8767 plus y4 0.8 plus y5 0.7191 plus y6 0.64 plus y7 0.5664. All values we substituted. If we simplify, the value comes as 0.784750. For 3h we get 3 integration values. So from first and second, let first is I1, the first I is I1 0.775 and second that we call I2 0.7828. Now Romberg's formula is I is equal to I2 plus 1 by 3 I2 minus I1. Now we substitute I2 value that is 0.7828 plus 1 by 3 0.7828 minus 0.775. If we simplify, we get the value as 0.7854 from first and second. Now from second and third, let I1 is 0.7828 and I2 is 0.78475. Again the Romberg's formula we know, I is equal to I2 plus 1 by 3 I2 minus I1. Substitute values, I2 0.78475 plus 1 by 3 0.78475 minus 0.7828. If we simplify, we get the value as 0.7854. Now see here, one equation and equation 2, these values are same. So we further, if these values are different, again we have to use the I is equal to I2 plus 1 by 3 I2 minus I1. But these values are same, so there is nothing to use there. Again that formula. So from 1 and 2 we can say that I is nothing but 0.7854. Okay. So this is the integration values. Next, I is nothing but, the integration is nothing but 0 to 1 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Now we integrate directly. 1 upon 1 plus x square integration is tan inverse x and the interval is 0 to 1. Now substitute x is equal to 1, tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. X is 1, x is 0. Tan inverse 0 is 0. Tan inverse 1. The tan has one value when the angle is pi by 4, 45 degree. Now what is I? That we have calculated, that is 0.7854. Substitute it. Now cross multiplication, 4 in 4 multiplied to the 0.7854, the simplification will be 3.1416. This is the value. Okay, the pi value comes as 3.1416. So this is the Romberg's integration. In this way we have to calculate. Next, Gaussian quadrature. Gaussian integration, we have to evaluate in the range -1 to 1 for 3 point and 2 point formula. So 2 point formula, that is n is equal to 2. The Gaussian formula is -1 to 1 f of x dx as f of -1 by root 3 plus f of 1 by root 3. This is 2 point formula. For n is equal to 3, 3 point formula is -1 to 1 f of x dx is equal to 8 by 9 f of 0 plus 5 by 9 f of minus root 3 by 5 plus f of root 3 by 5. Note, if the range is not in -1 to 1, then convert it using the relation, that is x is equal to 1 by 2 b minus au plus 1 by 2 b plus a. Transform integration in u. Next, evaluate -1 to 1 dx 1 plus x square by 2 point and 3 point formula. So the function is 1 upon 1 plus x square. F of -1 by root 3 is equal to 1 upon 1 plus -1 by root 3 square. We substituted the x is equal to -1 by root 3 there. In the function, the value comes as 0.75. Again, f of 1 by root 3, 1 upon 1 plus 1 by root 3 square, the value is 0.75. For n is equal to 2, Gaussian formula, -1 to 1 f of x dx, f of -1 by root 3 plus f of 1 by root 3. The values calculated, that is 0.75, 0.75, we have substituted. So -1 to 1, 1 upon 1 plus x square dx as comes 1.5 for 2 point formula. For 3 point formula, f of 0, substitute x is equal to 0, 1 upon 1 plus 0 square is 1. F of minus root 3 by 5 is equal to 1 upon 1 plus minus root 3 by 5 its square is equal to 0.375. F of root 3 by 5 is equal to 1 upon 1 plus root 3 by 5 its square. Squares are always positive, the values are same, that is 0.375 for first, 0.375 for second. For n is equal to 3, -1 to 1 f of x dx is 8 by 9 f of 0 plus 5 by 9 f of minus root 3 by 5 plus f of root 3 by 5. Now the calculated values we have substituted. F of 0 as 1, 8 by 9 1 plus 5 by 9. The f of minus root 3 by 5 is 0.375 plus f of root 3 by 5 is 0.375. So 8 by 9 plus 5 by 9, the inside simplification is 0.75. If you multiply 3.75 divided by 9, so 11.75 divided by 9 will be the simplification, and finally if you divide it by 9, the value comes as 1.305. So this is the value for 3 point formula. Okay, so this is Gaussian quadrature formula. Just we have to calculate the function's value, f of -1 by root 3 plus f of 1 by root 3 for 2 point formula, f of 0, f of minus root 3 by 5 and f of root 3 by 5 for 3 point formula. So the range is -1 to 1. Otherwise, if the range is not -1 to 1, let me see the next example. Evaluate 2 to 4 x square plus 2x dx with Gaussian 3 point formula. Range is not in -1 to 1. Now we have to convert it. So x is equal to, the formula is given 1 by 2 b minus a u plus 1 by 2 b plus a. B is upper limit 4, a is lower limit 2. So 1 by 2 4 minus 2 u plus 1 by 2 4 plus 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2 into 2u plus 1 by 2 into 6. So x is u plus 3. Now differentiate, dx is equal to du and constant 3 derivative is 0. Now 2 to 4 x square plus 2x dx converted into minus 1 to 1. What is x is u plus 3, it's a square, plus 2 times x is u plus 3, and dx is nothing but du. So 2 to 4 we have converted in minus 1 to 1. Now simplify the other side. U plus 3 square, perfect square. A plus b bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So u square plus 3 into 2 into u, that is 6u, plus 3 square is 9. 2 into u is 2u, 2 into 3 is 6. Bracket complete, du. U square plus 8u plus 15 du. Now what is function now? F of u. Instead of f of x, now we have f of u, that is u square plus 8u plus 15. This is our new function. Now substitute u is equal to 0. In that we will get f of 0, because we have to calculate 3-point formula. So 0 square plus 8 of 0 plus 15, that is 15. F of minus root 3 by 5, substitute u is equal to minus root 3 by 5 in the f of u. Minus root 3 by 5 square plus 8 into minus root 3 by 5 plus 15. The simplification comes 9.403. Similarly, f of root 3 by 5, substitute u is equal to root 3 by 5 in above that. Root 3 by 5 square plus 8 root 3 by 5 plus 15. So if we simplify, the value comes as 21.797. We know Gaussian 3-point formula. 8 by 9 f of 0 plus 5 by 9 f of minus root 3 by 5 plus f of root 3 by 5. We substitute all values there. I is equal to 8 by 9, f of 0 is 15, plus 5 by 9, f of minus root 3 by 5 9.403, plus f of root 3 by 5 21.797. 8 by 9 15, plus 5 by 9, the bracket simplification is 31.2. If we simplify it, the value comes as 30.667. So this is the Gaussian quadrature formula. If the range is minus 1 to 1, we use directly the function values. If that is not minus 1 to 1, we can convert. Okay, thank you.